India's scooter market is changing faster than ever before. For years, one name ruled every street, every city, every household, the legendary Honda Activa. But now, a new challenger has entered the game: electric scooters high voltage. From silent acceleration to zero fuel cost, EV scooters are taking over the roads. So the big question is, in 2026, who is the real king of India's scooter market? Exploding head. Welcome to SG Somo Rides, and today we are diving into the ultimate battle: Activa versus electric scooters. Motor Scooter Chapter 1, Honda Activa, the undisputed king of India. Honda Activa is not just a scooter, it's an emotion in India. For more than 2 decades, Activa has dominated the scooter segment like no other. Walk into any street, and you'll find at least one Activa parked outside. From students to office workers, from families to daily commuters, everyone trusts Activa. Back-end index pointing right. Why is Activa so popular? First, reliability. Activa engines are known for their long life and smooth performance. You can ride it for years without major issues. Second, mileage. With around 50-60 km/L, it is still one of the most fuel-efficient petrol scooters. Third, low maintenance. Service costs are affordable, and spare parts are easily available across India. Fourth, comfort and simplicity. No complicated tech, no learning curve, just start and ride. In 2026, even with rising competition, Activa continues to dominate sales charts. Fire. But now, for the first time, its throne is under serious threat. High Voltage Chapter 2, Electric Scooters, the Rise of the Future. Electric scooters are no longer the future, they are the present, smiling face with horns. Brands like Ola, Ather, TVS, and Bajaj are completely transforming the way people ride. Scooters like Ola S1 Pro, Ather 450X, and TVS iQube are becoming extremely popular, especially in cities. Backhand index pointing right. Why are electric scooters trending in 2026? First, zero fuel cost. With petrol prices rising every year, EV scooters offer huge savings in daily use. Second, advanced technology. Touchscreen dashboards, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, riding modes, EV scooters feel like smart gadgets. Third, instant torque. Unlike petrol scooters, EVs give instant pickup. The moment you twist the throttle, the scooter jumps forward. High voltage. Fourth, eco-friendly. No pollution, no noise, perfect for modern urban life. Seedling. Fifth, government support. Subsidies and incentives are making EV scooters more affordable. Because of all these reasons, electric scooters are growing rapidly in India. In fact, 2026 is being called the Electric Revolution Year. Rocket. Cross Chapter 3, Activa versus electric, the ultimate battle. Now let's compare both side by side to find out the real winner. Backhand index pointing right. 1. Running cost. Activa requires petrol every week, which can be expensive over time. Electric scooters cost almost nothing to run, just charge and ride. Backhand index pointing right. 2. Purchase price. Activa is cheaper to buy initially. Electric scooters are slightly expensive upfront but cheaper in the long run. Backhand index pointing right. 3. Performance. Activa offers smooth and steady performance. Electric scooters deliver instant acceleration and faster pickup. High voltage. Backhand index pointing right. 4. Range versus mileage. Activa gives around 50-60 km per liter. Electric scooters offer 100-150 km per charge. Backhand index pointing right. 5. Maintenance. Activa needs regular servicing like oil changes and engine checks. Electric scooters have fewer moving parts, so maintenance is much lower. Backhand index pointing right. 6. Convenience. Activa can be refueled anywhere in minutes. Electric scooters require charging time, which can be a downside for some users. Backhand index pointing right. 7. Technology. Activa keeps things simple. Electric scooters bring futuristic features and smart controls. So clearly both have their own strengths, but the competition is now tighter than ever. Crown final verdict: who is the real king? If you want trust, simplicity, and proven performance, backhand index pointing right Honda Activa is still the king crown. But if you want modern technology, zero fuel cost and future-ready performance, backhand index pointing right electric scooters are the new king high voltage. The truth is, India is currently in a transition phase. Activa rules the present, but electric scooters are building the future. Fire ending strong CTA. So guys, what do you think? Exploding head. Would you still choose the reliable Activa? Or are you ready to switch to electric? Comment your answer below. And if you love powerful bike and scooter content like this, make sure to subscribe to SG Somo Rides for more amazing videos.